Have you ever wished you could remember things more clearly, focus longer, or just feel mentally sharper each day? What if there was a 10-second audio hack that could help you do that? Stay with me. Hi, I'm Dr. B.A. Mabeso from EQTV, and today I want to share something unique, the Brain Song, a digital audio program available through ClickBank that claims to activate your brain's memory and focus mechanisms using specially crafted sound waves. Let's dive in. So, what is the Brain Song? According to its creators, it's an audio series that uses brainwave entrainment and triggers production of a key protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a term you may have heard if you're into brain health. News release material says it supports memory and learning, access newswire.com. The idea: you listen for just 10 seconds, or a short listening session, and you help your brain engage in better memory formation and focus. It's designed to be simple. What are the benefits people talk about? According to testimonials and review material, sharper memory recall, better focus during work or study, improved clarity of thought, possibly reversing or slowing cognitive decline associated with aging. If you're someone studying for exams, working on a big project, or you just want to keep your mind sharp as you get older, this could be relevant for you. Let's go into the science a bit. BDNF is a vital protein for neuroplasticity. That means how adaptable your brain is, how well it forms new connections, which underpins memory, learning, and focus. Audio stimulation, especially certain frequencies, has been studied for its capacity to influence brain waves, which in turn may promote cognitive benefits. For example, using targeted auditory cues, you may shift brainwave patterns into more optimal states. In fact, some audio programs use theta and alpha waves to promote focus or creativity. While results vary and more research is needed for many claims, the Brain Song positions itself in that niche. Who is this for? Students looking for better recall, professionals needing sharper focus, anyone aging who wants to keep brain health strong, creatives, musicians, learners who thrive on mental clarity. And what's the offer? The Brain Song is available via ClickBank, the affiliate marketplace. If you're ready to give your brain a boost, you can use the affiliate link in the description. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider if you have serious cognitive conditions. Now here's how you use it. 1. Pick a time when you're relaxed, maybe early morning or before bed. 2. Put on quality headphones, audio direction matters. 3. Listen to the Brain Song audio tracks as directed, could be a short module. 4. Pair it optionally with a quiet space and minimal distractions. So that's the Brain Song in short, a smart, simple audio-based approach to enhance memory and focus. If you're ready to try it, check out the link below, and let me know in the comments if you get results. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more brain health and emotional intelligence tips, and share it with friends who'd benefit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.